Okay, so pretty much by the time this gets on the internet, of course, it's going to be the time where I am actually doing my videos for YouTube. I'm still in college, but right now I have some free time, to do another Ratchet gaming. I really gotta switch this up because I'm tired of the Ratchet gaming being here or down here. Like, can I get one of those, like, designer things that I can make a different thing for every time I do this? Anyways, so the other day my friend was playing this game, and I knew about it since the day it came out, but I never really wanted to play it. But its name is called Robot Unicorn Attack. Yes, from Adult Swim. He was playing it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do this for one of my Ratchet gaming videos. That was a long time ago. That was when I started doing Ratchet gaming. Like when the name actually came out. So, pretty much this is getting recorded in one of the buildings of my college. And you want to know how ratchet this video can get? I'm filming across from the men's bathroom. That's ratchet as shit. So come on, let's play that damn game. Okay, so pretty much, oh, there we go. Robot Unicorn Attack. Oh lord. Don't care. I do not take any credit for the videos or songs or whatever the fuck it is that is going to be shown through this video. Thank you very much. I'm tired of saying that. You would think that people will get the idea that I don't take credit for shit like this. But nope, gotta keep saying that I don't take credit for it. Well, that was trippy as fuck. Robot Unicorn Attack. Oh, Robot Unicorn Attack 2. What? I thought I was playing the first one. Oh, I am. I think. Yeah. Yo, this music sounds depressing as shit. Click to play. Wow, that sounds gonna get annoying. Z to jump, X for rainbow attack. The fuck? Press Z to make your wishes come true. Wow. Yeah. Whoever made this probably had the mind of a 3-year-old. Oh! Fuck. Oh shit. Jump. Oh, this music, everybody. Oh, that's how. Okay. Oh. Shit, I can't turn anything down. Oh, this music is gonna hear me out this much. So I have to press Z to attack those stars. I gotcha. Oh shit. Oh. Oops. Yeah, go time portal. Yeah. Yo, this music makes my friend look straight. That's how rainbowish it is. This music, everybody, oh my god, I think I'm going to drive myself nuts. But look, 7,534, my bad. That's pretty damn good for a first try. Submit. This other music though sounds depressing as shit. Over the Rainbow. This freaking music. I wonder if people are saying, what the hell is his problem? Bah. Ride, ride. Ride, ride, pony, ride, ride. Oh shit. Is this thing getting faster? No, is this getting faster? I cannot tell. I feel like it's getting faster every time you reach like 1,000 points. Fuck. Ooh, bitches! 12,216 points. That's better than my last score. Well, 4252. You know what? Somebody probably played this last night on my computer. Let's try one more time. The thing is, Ratchet though, it's not. If my friend Chris was here, he would say what it was because I want him to say those things. That way, people don't hate me. But this song is so rainbow. Like I feel like I'm in the freaking Wizard of Oz right now. But oh, I should have pressed X, shouldn't I? Fudge. Oh, that's so pitiful. Yeah, that thing is so weak. Not jumping. Bash that bitch. Oh, look at that. I was able to do it. Look at that shit. Oh, fuck. That's pitiful. I'm going to go home after this. I'm probably going to lay in my room and cry myself to sleep because this music can make me depressed in about 2 minutes. I'm already depressed from listening to this shit. Well, figures. No, I gotta get higher than. I have to get higher than that. Higher than all these mother bitches. Yes, I just said mother bitches. You got a problem with that? No jump. Yo, that was an accident. No, that was an accident. I swear I didn't mean to do that. Shit hits. I pressed the X. The usual. Like, comment, share. And like I said, by the time you guys see this video, it will be when I am back on YouTube for a month. And then we'll have 17, well, winter and spring break. I'll do one video for YouTube on those weeks. But then for the other 15 weeks, you won't see us. You won't see me. Ah, there's a spider. How the hell? Die, bitch. Die. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Freaking nervous react. Freaking nerve twitches and shit like that. Alright, it's dead. That was creepy. A spider just came walking across. I cannot believe I didn't see it until now. I saw it walk, and it was ugly. Anyways, I have a new character coming out. Oh, my first character ever. His name is going to be either Professor or Dr. Common Sense. Almost sounds like common sense, right? Basically, he's the voice of my other side, which I don't like to show. He's just basically all my thoughts on all these things, like anything going on that I find like what the fuck about. He will do that. Like, comment, share in the comment section. Write down what kind of games you would like to see in Ratchet Gaming. And also, I'm working on a new sign-in and a new sign-out. So, if you would please comment what my sign-in should be and what my sign-out should be, that would be great, because think about it. Hey guys, it's me, Tim Jarvis, or whatever the fuck I say in the beginning of some of my videos, and the ending where I had that big, huge black screen with the white word subscribe and all, and I'm saying, hey, when you have to subscribe, that's old, bitches, that's old. So I pretty much gotta find a new sign in and sign out, alright? Help me out, alright? Deuces. Hey, puñetas, subscribe!